Many of the functions in Macabacus are built around the concept of cycles. For example, there is a font color cycle and a fill color cycle available. To demonstrate, take a look at the title section. Cycling through the font color options allows users to move through all the preset font colors that have been programmed into the current configuration. The same applies to the fill color cycle. Cycling through it presents all the fill color options available in the settings. This feature makes it incredibly fast and easy to apply consistent formatting across a workbook. It's useful to understand where these cycles are configured and how to adjust them for maximum efficiency in Microsoft Excel. Navigate to the Macabacus section of the ribbon, click Settings, and then select Configure. Since this relates to colors, head over to the Colors section in the Configuration panel. At the top, the font color cycle appears, followed by the fill color cycle. It's generally recommended to limit the number of items in each cycle to no more than 6. Keeping cycles short allows users to move through them quickly and efficiently. A helpful tip is to place the most frequently used items at the beginning of each cycle, so they're accessible with fewer keystrokes. As usage of Macabacus expands, it becomes clear that these cycles are integrated into many areas of the software. Initially, it's common to rely on the default settings, but over time, configuring these cycles to match specific workflows will significantly improve productivity. Prioritizing the most used options within these cycles is key to working faster and getting more done in Excel. Thank you for watching. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.